check out this other Airstream Sport right here. And this one is a 22 footer. So let's go check it out. Let's start out here. So when you first come in, to your left, you have this cool little board. You also have the bathroom. Wow, this is a pretty big bathroom actually. You have a whole shower. You have a whole sink. Some storage. And you have toilet. So it's not an all-in-one bathroom. That is nice. And then the door, of course, for some privacy. You have your closet. You have your fridge. So we have the fridge here. You have your mic, and it's a convection microwave oven. So that's cool. Down here you have all your fuses. You have some storage down here. That's nice. You also have storage right under the sink. Storage. You have your sink. It's actually a double sink. That's kind of cool. You have a little window. You have some storage up here with the radio. You also have your stove. And you have your little spice rack. And of course, more storage. And some lights right here. And then right over here you have your bedroom. So you have the bed. Somebody didn't do the bed today. So you have the bed. I can't get a grip on it. Okay, there we go. So you have, of course, the Airstream. That is what it's known for, is all the windows. So you have all your windows. And then you have a little bit of storage up here. And then you also have, what I noticed on this side is a little nightstand, so that's nice. And then you have your dining, which the dinettes in here also turn into a bed. And these are like really comfy. Oh my goodness. So you have your table. So this is your Airstream Sport 2019. And also right when you come in, so as I'm leaving, I want to show you this. This is kind of cool. You have a little like magazine holder. Pretty cool. All right. That is the Airstream Sport.